Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something truly exciting for all the car enthusiasts out there. A full detailed review of the 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. This SUV blends raw power with sleek design and refined luxury. And in this video, we're going to break down its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. So stay tuned till the end. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Cayenne Turbo GT continues Porsche's aggressive styling approach with sharper lines, a lowered stance, and a more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia is bold, featuring a wider grille and matrix-LED headlights with Porsche's signature 4-point DRLs. The carbon fiber roof and sporty rear diffuser not only enhance the aesthetics but also reduce weight. 22-inch lightweight GT-specific wheels and titanium exhaust tips complete the high-performance look. This SUV looks ready for the racetrack while still turning heads on city streets. Moving inside, the interior of the Turbo GT screams performance. Luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, including Alcantara, carbon fiber accents and contrast stitching throughout. The GT Sports steering wheel feels fantastic, and the front seats are race-inspired with extra bolstering and an embossed Turbo GT logo. The 12.6-inch curved digital driver's display is slick, offering customizable driving data, and the 12.3-inch infotainment system is both intuitive and fast. Running on Porsche's latest PCM interface, a new passenger display adds an extra tech layer for the co-pilot. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ambient lighting, and a 21-speaker Burmeister sound system are all standard. The rear seats are comfortable for long rides, and the cargo space remains generous for a performance SUV. Now, let's talk about performance, the real heart of the Turbo GT. Under the hood is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers a staggering 671 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque, mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission and Porsche's all-wheel drive system. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The top speed is now an incredible 190 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest SUVs ever built. Porsche has also retuned the suspension, lowered the ride height, and upgraded the braking system for sharper handling and increased confidence at high speeds. As for pricing, the 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT starts at around $203,500. That's a steep price, but you're paying for elite engineering, luxury, and one of the most thrilling SUV experiences money can buy. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Cayenne Turbo GT, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more premium car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.